In this video, we take a look at how to pack material in EWM using the transaction/N/SCWM/pack. In the transaction just mentioned, handling units are created. A handling unit consists of the packed material and a packaging material. A packaging material could be a Euro pallet or a cardboard box, for example. Packed materials have several advantages, such as the fact that not all materials have to be selected individually during a stock transfer, but only the higher-level handling unit has to be moved. To pack a material, the storage bin in which the material is located must be known. To do this, open the transaction /N/SCWM/MON. Under the path, Stock and Bin, Storage Bin, click on Physical Stock. In the window that now appears, enter the material to be packed in the product field and click on Execute. This can now be viewed in the Storage Bin column. The required data has now been obtained. Open the transaction /N/SCWM/pack. Fill in the fields, storage bin number, work center. The material will later be packed in the selected storage bin. You can now filter for some options in the filter section. In this case, the previously found storage bin is sufficient. Enter the storage bin and press Execute. The storage bin with the corresponding stock, which is still unpacked, can now be seen in the left-hand area. Enter a packaging material in the packaging material field. The storage bin in which the handling unit is to be created must be entered in the HU storage bin field. Click on Execute. The packaging material has now appeared in the left-hand area, but it is still empty. You can now drag and drop the material into the packaging material. The material is now packed in the packaging material. The packaging material can also be emptied or deleted again using the System toolbar. After packing, press Save. The material has now been packed and the handling unit has been created. You can also work with a scanner as an input device in the transaction. If this is the case, the following fields can be filled in using scanned barcodes or QR codes. This is particularly relevant in the warehouse environment, where a lot of work is done with scanners and MDE devices. To do this, click on the Repack Product tab. Fill in the From HU Bin field with the storage bin in which the product is currently located. Enter the material in the product field. Fill in the quantity field. The quantity to be packed is entered here. The TUSU field can be left blank as the handling unit number is automatically regenerated in this case. Enter a packaging material and a destination storage bin. Click on Execute. The new handling unit has been created and can now be seen on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Repack HU tab, you can pack an existing handling unit into another handling unit, or only repack the contents of the From handling unit by activating the Repack Contents Only checkbox.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.